Okay, so this is the Reed's Books. I always wanted this one. But if you turn it around, you can see that this isn't Reed's Books. This is a building. I already have this building. It's by some other, I don't know which one this is, but I have this particular structure. And it's not Reed's Books. And if you look at the picture here with this, it does that. That's the front of it. You can see that there's no way that that can be the front of Reed's Books. So I'm going to have to open up and take a look at it. If I'm doing this video, because I know this is by Woodland Scenic, I'm going to probably have to contact Woodland Scenic and go, if this structure is not inside here, and right now it looks like it's not. But you can see there are these things that make up these windows. So part of it's in there. But I don't know why this part's even in there, because this is to a different structure. It looks like we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces in there. That's kind of weird. There should only, what does it say on here? It says there should be 4 walls, 1 door, 6 window panels, 1 roof, 1, I don't even know what that is, and 4 chimney backs and 3 sheets of clear window instructions. So yeah, there's more walls than there should be. You have a feeling there's something wrong here. So you can see it's not open. So it's not open. And I'm going to have to open it and see what's wrong with it. And if there is, I'm making this video for you guys because obviously there's something wrong inside here. Just because I can see that through the back here. I'm going to check all these other ones as well. I already looked at the micro trains. Those look good. Hey guys, so I opened up the Reed's Books. I've been waiting for this one for ages. 3-story building with those really cool pop-out windows. Unfortunately, that's not what came in here. These are the parts that came in here. Now, I did get these windows for Reed's Books, but I got this, this, and this. And you know what that's for? Remember this one I put together probably around 2017? That's this building. So this building, which I already own and I've already put together, and I don't want another of, is what came in the Reed's Books package. So I guess I'm going to have to contact Woodland Scenic and ask them if I can send them back this and they can send me a Reed's Books instead. Yeah, it's kind of crazy, hey? And let's see, if we look at these pieces that they gave us, like this is the same. Yeah, see? Same as the roof, same as the front side, same as that side. Yep, that side's the same. And the rear, except for I put some things to block the windows out, but it has the same layout pattern. Yeah, so they sent me another one of these by mistake, and it was sealed. The whole package was sealed up with the Reed's Books in it. I actually have a video of me when I was unboxing, because I got a bunch of different stuff from the hobby shop. I got a bunch of Woodland Scenic stuff. Yeah, that's weird. But yeah, the entire instructions is for the Reed's Books. That is really crazy. So I guess we'll have to find out if Woodland Scenic will allow me to send this back to them and they can exchange it for an actual Reed's Books. I hope so, guys, because I've been wanting this kit for a while. And I have other kits from you as well. Like, you know, here's one I just got as well. This one was actually in there. So